what's up mga kaduday? Another day, another memories vlog. So magro-road trip kami ngayon papunta sa Ras Al Khaimah. So mag-out of Abu Dhabi muna kami mga kaduday dahil isi-celebrate namin yung what we're going to celebrate. My birthday, then why you're hiding? We're going to celebrate Erica's 30th birthday. So, mag-hotel muna kami ng 4 days and 3 nights sa Ras Al Khaimah. So, see you there, guys! We're here na.
Dito papasok.
Wow, you have arrived.
Diyan na ako ba? Ano ka pa bali? Dapat mo sa kanila. Dapat mo lang dahan-dahan lang.
Hey, we're here. Hello. Daddy is there in the reception. The reception. Hey, finally, nandito na kami. Magla-lunch na kami. Kasi late na ang dating. Erica, we're going for lunch. Late na, 3 PM na. It's there. Hey! Hello po! Nice! Kuha tayo nito. Looks yummy. Separate natin kasi na-sauce siya. Patay ng gulay. Meatballs. Hey, Daddy! Parang ang sarap ng beetroot. Ice cream.
Ano yung kaya, Rebecca?
So, kararating lang namin nag-lunch kami agad kasi closing na po yung buffet nila actually. So, humabol kaming mag-lunch kasi yung kinuha naming hotel is all in. So, ibig sabihin lahat-lahat libre na pagkain, drinks, rooms, everything. So, libre na. Yan. Kumain na, nag-dessert na si Erica. Actually, busog pa ako kasi stop over kami sa McDonald's. Pero kakain kasi libre naman ito lahat. Papunta na kami sa room! So, in-upgrade pala yung room namin. Tingnan natin kung anong itsura ng kwarto. We're here na pala. Wow! There's like playroom. Wow! Oh, that's your bed. It's nice.
Come here in my house.
Happy?
Yes, come here.
Yan na yung luggage. Yes, kuya. Wait, kuya, ha? Ay, binigay na. Thank you. So, yun na yung luggage. Akala ko sasakay pa tayo ng elevator. So, ito yung bathroom. Shower room. Yan, may mga towel. Ito yung master bedroom. So, dito kami ng asawa ko. Yung doon sa kabila, yung pambata doon sa Erica. So, malaki po siya. Another cabinet. Iba yung ni Erica pala. Ayan, may plancha. Baka nandun sa upuan niya sa Mayroon dito. Paano ba ito buksan? Ito pala, sliding. So, here we go. Meron ditong terrace. And, yan yung niya. Isang tao yun. Wow, ang laki ng yung ibang niya. Ang laki. Yan. May towel na. May mga complimentary na tea, coffee. Yan. Premier sugar. Dito spoon at saka yung mugs. Eto, dito yan nakalagay. Kinuha ko na namin kasi mag-tea kami. Oh my gosh, Daddy! Are you working or on leave? Good evening. It's dinner time. The sauce, bread area,
I'm alright.
Sausage? French fries? Are you eating in the McDonald's? Starter muna tayo. Dinner time! Hey, pasta girl! Pasta girl! Ayaw niya. Salad. Hey, Daddy! Tingin naman dito. Ano yan? Ah, chicken kapsa. Huwag tayo ng chicken kapsa. Seafood tangine. Huwag tayo ng fish. Huwag tayo ng roasted lang. Hey, birthday girl. Second round na din si Daddy.
May gusto ka?
Wow. Oh, wow, wine.
Ikaw, may gusto ka?
Daddy's red wine and
Fish.
white wine sa akin. Erika is juice. How about fruits, Erika? Pagkatapos po namin kumain ng dinner, nag-chill muna kami dito sa lobby. So, nag-order kami ng green tea and red wine na may cookie and peanut. We're done eating. We're done eating dinner, guys. We're very full. How's your tummy?
Good. I need to.
Are you full or no?
I'm full. I'm just eating a lot.
You're eating a lot. What you had today at tonight? Thank you for watching.